Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jaraubnb channel. It's been long. Welcome to Binance. Today I have a video about Binance or the Convert OTC Portal, as you hear the word convert. So if you're a new person on Binance or a new trader, you can really be intimidated by this. As you can see, these are moving averages. You can see candlesticks. You can see, let me put in the 15 minutes. That is 15 minutes. You can see the up and down movement. So if you're a new person, this can really intimidate. You can see even down here AMA, you can see that. I click on b.link, I did not set it up. Mark AD, you can see here RSI, you can see all this is really confusing for a new person. So if you're a new person, this is really confusing. As you can see, I've messed up the whole graph, but I'll remove some of them later on. So, and also if you're confused by the order books, the order books is what you see on the right, the one in left, the one on the right, the one in red, and the one in green. So the one in red, those are the sellers, and the one in blue are the buyers. No, it's green, the buyer. So if you're intimidated by all these graph things, this blah blah blah, Binance OTC helps you. So let me go to Chrome, and then I read to you briefly what Binance Convert and OTC Portal does. So they say it has zero fees, no slippage, and more cross pairs. You can see you can convert from BTC to USD, or you can even see you can even make the reverse. You just toggle this. You can see the pairs are here. I'll show you later. There are many pairs you can choose from, but I'll show you the live example. I'll go back to my Binance account later. You can see the pairs here. There are really very many. So as you can see, so let's look at the requirements. So these are the frequently asked. What are the requirements to use the portal? All functions of the portal, checking indicative prices, confirming trades, will be available when you log into your Binance account. So obviously you must have a Binance account and you must have done KYC. So I'll show you. My account is already verified. So what are the benefits of using this? Users can easily convert their assets on the portal without having to worry about the complicated matters such as the order book and trading fees, the one I just explained above. So it really helps you avoid all that chaos. So what are the minimum and maximum trade? The minimum trade amount is generally an equivalent amount of 10 USDT of worth of coins. So it's a minimum of 10 USDT. So how does the settlement work? The settlements are settled directly to your Binance account spot wallet. I'll show that to you. How do I make deposits and withdrawals? There is no separate wallet for OTC trades. Simply make deposits and withdrawals from your account's spot wallet. Are there any trading fees? No. We do not charge any fees on OTC trades. However, there will be a spread if you are buying. Our prices will be above the market, but the spread is really small, so no need to worry. So trade history, I'll show that to you. Can I confirm trades on credit? Okay, so as I've described, so let's go now to Binance itself. You go back to Binance. We already saw this. So Binance, let's go to home. This is the market. As you can see, the markets are really down. Go to wallets, not really. So you click on more. You can see here deposit, referral, strategy, and then more. You click on more. We now want to access the Convert portal. So these are the common functions. As you can see, there is transfer, buy crypto. There's really a lot. So you scroll down to trade, and you can see this. It's called Convert. So you click on Convert. It's loading. My network is just a bit slow, but it's loading. So it's going to load. It has loaded by default Hive because that's what I want to convert. But you can click on this. It will show you other assets. So these are my other assets. So we are going to go with Hive. You go back. Hive, go back. So we want to convert Hive to USDT. You can search, but USDT is here. You can search it here. You can click on search. No, this is what I want to do. You can either choose any of these other tokens, but for me purposely for this tutorial I'm going to use USDT, which is Tether. So here we are. So I'm going to convert. They're saying I have to send a minimum of 20, the minimum of 20 hives. So I'm going to put 25 hives, and then I click on preview. So it gives us at the moment to 20.7 USDT, and then I convert. It's as simple as that. Processing, conversion. So the conversion has been successful. So I can view the history. So I've converted it already. So it's being completed. So trading using the Binance Convert OTC Portal is really very simple. So you can see conversion details from 25 hive to 20 USDT. So let us check the price if we had used the live trading, the like for real trades like the other side. So let's go back to the other side. Let's say if we had used 25, it would have given us 20.9. So the difference is $0.2. So it's okay. So that's how you convert. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you use the Binance Convert portal to trade on Binance. It's really as easy as that. Thank you.